Welcome back, guys. Now every resource is ready for our video editing, so we can just upload all the clips into this platform called CapCut. By the way, we can also download some clips from YouTube itself. Let's say take me to ancient Egypt. We can download others video for the 1 to 2 seconds clip. Okay, download here YouTube tool, YouTube Shorts downloader, like this type of tool, and also include into our videos. This script actually not up to the mark. We need to work on that, especially this was not perfect for this script. I think this is right now is okay. Also, we wanted to promote the in-video app for promoting their products to affiliate marketing so that we can make some money. We don't have to take videos from them. We can take anywhere because we are taking viral videos and recreate them and make it original and upload to our YouTube channel. That's our goal, right? So that's what we just also download some video from YouTube. Let's upload all the clips here, and in this case I'll select 9:16, which is YouTube Shorts format or TikTok or Reels. Go to the media. I will upload the audio file first and drag into it here. At first we cut the every sentence.
This AI update is transforming the video creation industry.
When one sentence is complete, then we'll split it.
With this new AI, anyone can create realistic videos by typing a simple sentence.
Then another line.
This is InVideo's biggest update yet, V 3.0. Try InVideo AI for free 3.0. Try InVideo yet, V 3.0. Try InVideo AI for free and make 40 free videos each month, so it's almost free. It is transforming the video creation industry. With this new AI, anyone can create realistic videos by typing a simple sentence.
So we can add a video inside this, and also we can make some changes because it looks like CapCut. It's a recognized editing format. It's something like this. Okay, so that it won't hamper in the tone
AI
section.
update is transforming the video creation industry. With this new AI, anyone can create.
Actually, it makes faster. Okay, then I'll upload all the clips. We need a clips about the AI first. Okay, separate audio. I'll just separate her audio from here. I just add some clips over here and also downloaded some clips from InVideo channel or other YouTuber channel. So need to align with that.
This AI update is transforming the video creation industry. With this new AI, anyone can create realistic videos by typing a simple sentence. This is InVideo's biggest. This AI update is transforming the video creation industry. With this new AI, anyone can create realistic videos by typing a simple sentence. This is InVideo's biggest update yet, V 3.0. Try InVideo AI for free and make 40 free videos each month, so it's almost free.
So as you see, this clips is a little bit longer. So when you just take some clips from the web, we need to make sure that it should not be more than 3 seconds. But I put here only 3 clips. So definitely you should out of this. Now I will add caption over here. Here is the caption text, and also I can add type effect. Type effect means definitely add a headings over there, especially in this section. It's not about the heading. We can put our affiliate link over there. It should like go, let's say XYZ. Okay, so we can just put the link like this. And that will be your affiliate link. How it actually perform, then you have to see the videos in the next chapter. This is a masking domain. So this is the process. I'll just remove it for now I just make you understand that this is the way. Another option is a caption. Now let's add caption, and I'll follow auto generate caption. It's perfectly fine. Now generate.
This AI.
You see, this is the caption. So we can add some template over here. You see there are lots of presets over here.
Update is transformed.
But it not looks good, so we can use template. Most of the option are pro, so we have to take a pro template. I'll choose single word template, but let me check if it is available for free or not. Okay,
This AI.
I think it looks much better.
This AI update is transforming the video creation industry. With this new.
Not this one. Let me try another one. Need to find the free version, okay? Because we are not paying anything. Try this one. Yeah.
This AI.
It looks fine. So single word always best.
This AI update is.
And we can make some changes. Changes means definitely typography, color, right? Everything.
This AI update is transform.
Black color is background and white color is text. It's perfectly fine, but maybe you see different color in different videos. So it totally depends on you what type of color you will actually choose. Next, we'll add effects. So let's go to the effects, and there are lots of effects over here. I'll choose a light effects, and it will start from scratch. Definitely free version. So choose leak one, sunset. Yeah, sunset is fine.
This AI update is transforming the video creation industry. With this new AI, anyone can create real.
You see some lights actually come from in the app website.
Realistic videos by typing a simple sentence. This is NVIDIA's biggest update yet, V 3.0. Try NVIDIA AI for free and make.
Yeah, it looks good.
40 free videos each month.
Now we can add a music. So there's a audio portal. We can add from here, or we can get some ideas from ChatGPT. We can create a prompt, okay? Okay, so ChatGPT suggested some music, so we can check this music in the Pixabay. It's a free platform, or also we can see this type this music in the YouTube. Pick cinematic, yeah, cinematic piano. If you go, so I'll download this one, upload it here in the media file, upload, then place the music over here. Increase the speed to X for the music.
This AI update is transforming the video creation industry.
And volume should be less.
With this new AI.
So video is complete. Now we can download. Just we have to a subscriber button, also a like button, and affiliate link in the last slide. So we can add a blank slide in the last section. Everything is ready. Just it's ready to export. So in the next video, I'll export it and upload to YouTube and show you how to optimize that video. Thank you, guys.